welcome to the DC stand. We are tools manufacturers from Switzerland and very happy to be here at the EMO 2023. And we are very happy to meet a lot of customers and to develop our network farming tools and to improve our business.
Thank you, Dominic. My name is Mayur Kulkarni. I am Sales and Application Manager for Asian market as well as East European market. As Dominic said, we have a very successful show this year and we are getting a lot of response from the market, not only in Europe or Germany, but there are many happy customers from Asia. They are visiting us and we are introducing our new product launches to our customers. We have this year the product called HVH. It is a product that we are introducing in the market for hard materials up to Rockwell 45 hardness. It is a new geometry, new coating, and it works best in the conditions which are very difficult for machining. So I hope that whenever there are requirements from our customer, we will be able to solve their problem.